everybody? Back at it. We're here at the new compound. We're in full construction mode. Spackle guy's here now. So I had to get the heat up this weekend, up into the ceiling, mounted to the trusses, all ducked out. So right now I'm finishing up the duct work. In order for him to get a couple coats in, we're going to need to get some heat in here. Otherwise, Spackle will never dry. That's what I'm working on now. We got a huge list of things to do. We're happy you guys are here with us. Each step of getting this compound built out. Right now we're in the lab. If you look up, that's where the chimney goes. If you want to follow me out here, I'll show you what we just piped out. This is the gas furnace originally. It was behind this wall. I had to extend this gas line here. We added about a 4-foot section to the gas line, moved it over, so now it's in the warehouse. And I just got finished piping out the smoke pipe from the furnace.
Stefan, this is a tiny little room.
It's starting to get cold right now, so this is our office until we get the heat working again. We just got the pilot lit and we got it all mounted this weekend, and as soon as we turned it on, water started leaking from the roof, so we got some condensation issues. So I'm just doing some research, trying to figure out exactly how we're gonna fix this. For now, we're gonna be all three of us in here and Buddy.
What are the dimensions of this room?
10 by 7. It used to be a bathroom. It's actually gonna be our bathroom, so we're just kind of crammed in here. I'm working from my laptop. I'm afraid to plug my computer. Every time I turn the printer on, all the lights in here dim. I don't know, you got yours plugged in, but I'm afraid.
So we got my desk, your desk. Where does Maddie sit?
He usually sits on a spackle bucket. The next thing we gotta do, we gotta get an office done. He's gonna sand the whole place tomorrow. Then we can take all the plastic off everything and start moving stuff around.
First thing I set up in here was my workbench. Top priority because I have to build this entire place out. So in order for me to do that, I need my tools and I need all that. Came in here the other day, stayed here till like 1 in the morning, pulled all my tools out into the floor, my bench in, and put all my tools back. So I'm still in the process of finishing the workbench area. If you want, I'll show you real quick. I just got this piece over the weekend. Old transmission cabinet. I just need some more metal cabinet space. I got one more we're gonna go pick up today and box this truck. All the stuff you see here on the floor is gonna be all the stuff that you're gonna see inside the cabinets once we get all the cabinets here and situated. But as far as the workbench, one of the first things I did differently than I did the last compound, I took the pegboard and I flipped it around. I hated white pegboard. I know what tools that I always use and always need at arm's reach. So I put the essentials up there and then everything else going in cabinets. Something I don't use all the time is gonna go in cabinets. I want this whole surface to always be clean and flat and open so I can work here and there's not a bunch of tools on top of my desk. I got one of these magnetic strips. Game changer. I actually just bought another one that I'm gonna put over here. And all of my bits, the bits that I use all the time, I'm gonna go across there so I can grab my drill. Maybe even put it here because my drill goes here like this. I got my extension. I got my bamboos, very important. And I'm gonna dial it in a little bit more, but as of right now, I got it set up enough that I could work. And but we're really excited one step along the way. This is gonna be one station. It's not done yet. I still gotta put shelves up. Bought this LED light bar, put up here. I'm gonna get old mason jars and screw the caps in so I can put all my extra hardware in there and stuff like that. So can't just hire contracts to come in here and build these stations. So me and my brother and Bach gonna take one station at a time until this whole place is built out. I don't know how long it's gonna take, assuming that this place should be fully operational by no longer than the end of the year. My goal is to have the lab and the sideshow stuff done by Black Friday. We do a huge extravaganza for Black Friday and we can't miss this year.
You're under the gun once again.
So from the vlog to the black magic to the Halloween party to the move to the build out, I've been getting like 4 to 5 hours a night of sleep and then coming right back here and going back at it again. It's been awesome. I love it. Definitely shot. A lot more to go, so can't stop now.
It's a nice little window, Stefan.
Yeah, it's a prison window. So as soon as we turn the heat on, you want to get up on this ladder. The water that got in the pipe from rain last night, really windy coming in sideways, fell into the pipe, we turned the heat on it. Condensation goes up onto the walls of the terracotta, drips back down, and it's coming through these little spaces. So we gotta seal this up, we gotta put a drip diverter underneath it, we gotta get up on the roof and figure out why the water's coming in the first place. Otherwise it's gonna destroy our walls and our ceilings when we put them up. It's an $8,000 job. If you pay me cash, I'll do it for $6,000 and I'll be out of here in 20 minutes.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in for the beginning stages of the build out of Compound 2.0. Thank you, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.